Warning, do not use this grout if you are a DIYer and you have no experience with doing grout work on tile. I'm going to tell you why right now. You know, for the last few years, I've been on the internet doing my YouTube channel, teaching people how to do DIY renovations. And we've done a few bathroom videos, and a lot of people have done their bathroom renovations, and it's been really kind of cool to see. But every once in a while, I get a comment from someone going, help, I used Ultracolor Grout, and I can't wash it. I can't get it off. I let it sit on the tile too long. What do I do? And the answer is, tear your walls off and start over, because you're done. And I'll tell you why. This is the grout that I've been using in the videos, okay? And it's a matte by grout. It's called Color, all right? This is an unsanded grout. It's amazing for walls. And in most shower applications, you're gonna want an unsanded grout, okay? Now, this product here is called Ultracolor Grout. And the reason it's Ultracolor is because it has a sealer already in the mix. The other thing it also has is it has a rapid setting quality to it. All right, this has got so much technology in it, it'll blow your mind. This grout will fill 1/16 up to a 1/2 inch gaps. And so for a lot of DIYers, when you go to the store to take a look, if they're selling both products, you might read some of the labels and go, oh, that's perfect for me because I did a lousy job with my tile and that'll fill everything I've got, right? But this product here is actually old school technology. It's simple, it has lots of working time, and you can have all the time you need to apply the grout, finish all 3 of your shower walls, and then go clean up your tools, come back, and then start polishing and washing it just like I do in my video. This is a one-person operation. This grout is designed for people who are really experienced. You can get all the grout in a shower done in less than 10 minutes. Because I'm telling you right now, if you wait more than 15 minutes before you wash this off and work it, it is going to be harder than the stone that you put on the wall, okay? And you're in deep trouble. Don't let all your hard work go to waste because you choose the wrong grout. Understand, this is for beginners. This is great technology. And if you're going to use it, you've got to have a helper, okay? It's okay to use this stuff, but maybe mix just enough for one wall at a time if you're going to. And then you'll have time to actually work it and wash it. On the back, it gives you instructions and it'll tell you, this one you put it on, here, you apply it, you wipe it off with your grout sponge, and then it says to wait 15 to 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, if you've got any experience at all, you can grout an entire shower in less than 15 to 30 minutes. And so the boring, simple stuff works great. You put it on, you can pretty much just wait a couple seconds and then start wiping it off. This product over here has a different instruction. And I know a lot of you guys out there, you're not reading the instructions, so I'm gonna read it for you. When you put this on, you've got 15 minutes from the time that you put it on to be done working and washing it, or you're in trouble. And then it has a warning. If it's hot, you're screwed. That's what the warning says, all right? You gotta have 2 guys running in there at high speed. This is really difficult to work with. Do not take it for granted. I understand, you go to the store, oh, they don't have my color, I'll get this one instead. Understand the difference, what you're dealing with, all right? It costs a few bucks more. I personally think it's a much better grout, but you gotta know what you're getting involved with when you get started. We're using this product outside on our patio here. This stuff is great for beginners. And it'll give you all the mercy that you need, okay? Even half an hour later, if you find that you missed something, you can take a grout remover tool and scratch it out, mix up a little more and patch it up. This is the stuff for the beginner. This is for people who've got a team working or have got a lot of experience. Now, if you use this product, you'll need a grout sealer, okay? Definitely recommended. So, I understand. It's a much better product. But it'll be the end of your project if you're working alone and you don't have enough experience. That's it for today. Now listen, I was just about to do a video here on all the different tools and equipment and ways to cut different kinds of stone. And I thought I would get this off my chest because I was reminded when I saw the bag, I gotta tell you guys about this. And if you like getting information like this, hit the like button. Don't forget to answer in the comments if you've made this mistake, okay? Or if you got other questions about your tile work. And if you're a new DIYer and you're looking for what tools you need to buy so that you can do a bathroom renovation, then you're definitely going to want to watch the video that we're doing here. We'll link it up here for you, and we'll put it in the video description down below in case you don't get the notification. All right, listen, cheers, have a great, successful renovation. Remember, you're your best contractor.